This author study presentation is on Doreen Cronin. This presentation is presented by myself, Peyton Epperson. Doreen Cronin was born in 1966 in Queens, New York. She is now 55 years old. She grew up in Merrick, Long Island. She graduated from Pennsylvania State University and St. John's University School of Law. She is known as the lawyer-turned-author. She currently lives in Brooklyn, New York with her husband Tim and their 2 daughters. Her dog's name is Buster. Doreen Cronin's first grade teacher, Miss Cooper, was the one who first told her that she was a writer. Miss Cooper gave her extra writing assignments to encourage her. It was extra homework, but she loved it. She also loved the library. It was one of her favorite places to spend time. Doreen Cronin was a practicing attorney in Manhattan when her first book, Click Clack Moo, Cows That Top, became a publishing success. Her debut children's book, Click Clack Moo, Cows That Top, illustrated by Betsy Lewin, was named a 2000 Caldecott Medal Honor Book. This book is about farm-smart cows recycling outdated technology, a manual typewriter, to improve barnyard conditions. The cows type Farmer Brown letters of their recommendations on what they wish to be done at the farm. Her book, Diary of a Worm, is a humorous story in diary form of the everyday life of a worm. This book received the Notable Children's Video Honor. This book tells the adventures of a worm through his daily diary entries. This worm lives with his parents, plays with his friends, and even goes to school. But unlike you or me, he never has to take a bath, he gets to eat his homework, and because he doesn't have legs, he just can't do the hokey pokey, no matter how hard he tries. Another book by Doreen Cronin is Duck for President. Duck doesn't like the chores that Farmer Brown gives him, so Duck holds an election. Upon ousting his opponent and becoming head of the farm, he realizes his new job is hard work. He decides to leave the farm and campaign for governor, which, he learns upon winning, is also hard. This book is a Notable Children's Recordings Honor. Doreen Cronin is an American writer of children's books. She converted from a law student to an award-winning children's book author. She is the author of the Click Clack series, the Duck Squad series, the Bug Diaries, and many more books for kids and middle graders. Doreen Cronin was a practicing attorney in Manhattan when her first book, Click Clack Moo, Cows That Top, became a publishing success. She went on to write 46 books, including 3 series.